Highmore goes up and gets that puck, and he'll reset back to Keith. Got away from him, and he'll get a little help from Delia. Delia hands it over. This is trouble. They shoot. Scores! Andre Palat with a gift, and he buries it. No mistake, and it's 1-0 Tampa Bay.
Yeah, this one was gift wrapped all the way around, and Andre Palat wasn't going to miss this one. Colin Delia went out to handle the puck behind and got all turned around. Then on top of it, he'll stumble getting back into the crease. He and Duncan Keith got crossed up a little bit. Delia panicked a little, I think, when he saw a blue jersey in his face. He fanned on his shot, and you can see the result. Timing is everything, and you know what? He actually got a piece of that. He very nearly pulled that one off. We saw an unreal save by Subban on Killorn diving back.